If you never heard of Two Steps from Hell, they're basically a production company known for making epic music for trailers, TV shows, and movies. They are founded by these two guys, Thomas Bergersen, God, what kind of last name is this? And Nick Phoenix. Pretty much to describe their sound, they're pretty much the Justin Bieber of orchestral music. I say they're the Justin Bieber of orchestral music because all their tracks are like overused on every movies or TV shows. If you ever watch a trailer, or movie, or TV show, you've heard at least one song by them. You probably heard this one the most. So I'm not sure what they really use, but it really doesn't matter at this point. You're supposed to use a real orchestra, and I can't afford any of that shit. So just grab something. I didn't use Ableton today.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
Want an orchestral template, as you can see right here, and then you like press it, and then it like loads, and oh shit. That is too big. So we're focusing on Battle Cry. Basically, if you hear Battle Cry a lot, he actually likes to use the piano, so you want to grab piano. We're going to use D minor because it sounds nice, and it also has, you know, it's on the F key. Oh, something. Now you got the strings, and you want it to kind of like supplement, you know, the piano. You know, this is the string stuff, and you want it to supplement it on the piano stuff. Like you want something that go like joot 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 joot, like kind of like, you know, like the joot 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 joot. You want the spiccato strings that just supplement the piano, and I'm repeating myself. What is this spaghetti? No, just go look it up on Google. Repeat this, and yeah, then you add more variation. And then you want like a low part. Does the boom 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 boom. Boom 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 boom. Then you like layer it with more spics. Oh yeah, then for like the middle, this part, you want legato. But composer, I don't know what. Just look it up. Then you just repeat it. Yeah, strings. Very basic. You do here, then you do here, then you do here. Yeah, pretty much for your brass, you know, all that stuff. You know, like a, you know, lower. And then you want like horns, you know, they go more like. And then you want trumpets, like, they go like... they kind of like, you know, as you can see right here, I don't know if you can see it. It's like right here when this part comes in, and you just plug it in here. Now we're at the Woodwinds, and just put a contrabassoon or something somewhere. Like, you can add some ruds if you want. Like, you see all these notes? That's a lot of notes. Kind of like, whoa-wee! Then you want kind of like another one somewhere here to go like, whoa-whoa-wee! And then you want like a trill. You know, like in epic music, they got like really loud percussion. It makes you want to break stuff and all that. So pretty much you want to grab a percussion, and you want to play something. Yeah, that's not gonna even be in the track. But like, you get the you want like the boom, like the boom, boom, boom. Then you want like a dumpster. You do the same thing, like the boom, the boom, boom. Cymbals right here. Then you want like a subtle one. Yeah, you want the bum, dig-a-doo, do-do-do. Yes. Now every Two Steps from Hell track always use choirs. I don't know why, but it's not epic if there's no choirs. So yeah. So I use these two things. Like, so for the female section, they go like a more like. Then the men go like more. Now you want to use like an individual singer. Usually the actual singer is Merit Salt Vit something. He's been featured a lot in most of Two Steps from Hell tracks. Great singer, but like I don't have a sample library of hers. I try to find the best one. It sounds similar. I mean, this is the best one I could find. And once you got that, you want the choirs to repeat the same melody as what you did in the piano. Like, you guys remember the melody? You want some sound effects, and you want to find them. Oh, too loud, way too loud. They always use synths for some reason, I don't know why. Yeah, and then you want like a dirty bass. Yeah, they put a guitar somewhere, I don't know why. Just basic power chords. To end it all with this epic stuff, you add some drums. Got my guitar on, and we're ready. Oh my god, this is so sad. 1, 2, 3, 4.